In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and change the currency on Ecwid. This process is quite straightforward and only takes a few minutes, but it's essential for ensuring your store aligns with your specific currency requirements. Let's dive in and walk through each step. First, you'll want to head over to the Ecwid website, which you can find at www.ecommerce.com. Once you're there, simply log into your account using your credentials. If you haven't visited Ecwid recently, some updates may have occurred, but the general layout should feel familiar. Now that you're logged into your dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate to the settings section. To do this, locate your Ecwid admin panel and click on Settings. Then proceed to General, and from there, click on Regional Settings. This path will take you to the area where you can manage all regional settings for your store. In the regional settings section, you'll find an option labeled currency. Here, a drop-down menu allows you to choose the currency that best fits your store's needs. Simply click to open this menu and select the currency that suits your business operations and customer preferences. With your currency selected, you may also want to adjust how prices are displayed. Look for the option for display format. This feature lets you select your preferred format for prices in your chosen currency, ensuring consistency and clarity for your customers. If your store's currency is something other than USD, there's an option to enter a conversion rate. While this is optional, it's a handy feature for managing currency conversion rates when necessary, keeping financial transactions accurate and up to date. Another aspect of currency customization is deciding where to place the currency symbol. You have the choice to display it as a prefix or a suffix to the price. Some businesses prefer having the symbol before the price, while others opt for after. You can set it to match your preference and aesthetic. There's also the choice to hide trailing zeros in the fractional part of prices. This is optional, but it can make your pricing look cleaner and more professional, especially in digital formats. You can enable or disable this feature according to how you want your pricing to appear to customers. Once you've made all your selections and adjustments, it's time to finalize your changes. Make sure to click the Save button. This step is crucial as it ensures all of your hard work and modifications are applied and visible on your store. And that's it. You've successfully edited and changed the currency in your Ecwid store. By following these steps, you are ensuring a smooth and consistent shopping experience for your customers, tailored to their regional preferences. Thanks for watching, and feel free to let us know if you have any questions in the comments below.